About real life, so we have about 80% of our youth who are either vulnerably employed or unemployed. It is big risk. You understand? And this is the future of our country. Their hope is depleting. What you have just shown them so far is that you stabilize the ship. That's why people are asking real questions. That's why people are 500,000 people are chasing a job for what? 5,000 people. Why do you have 500,000 of our youth just wanted to be in the and that one is even because there was 200 cities to be paid. If it was free.
I was a woman about the bag Ghana and TV, so Bomb so like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no turn on notification that next time videos of this channel also submit to my camp. Some on the piano. If I'm Mr. President, to from Mr. President, and I just somehow say, Madaroma. Now, Bomb so like video, no subscribe to the channel. Come on, my favorite. By chance you would want to contribute to our studio works, being it sound, internet, lights, everything, but you'll reach out through number and that's it. Yes, I can better was a pound. So now
Ay3 I mean, one. They said they're not ones alone, so let's wait. We should just stop. I don't like, you see, the political jargons in this country are too much. And I keep saying that it is about real life. So we have about 80% of our youth who are either vulnerably employed or unemployed. It is big risk. You understand? And this is the future of our country. Their hope is depleting. What you have just shown them so far is that you stabilize the ship. That's why people are asking real questions. That's why people are 500,000 people are chasing a job for what? 5,000 people. Why do you have 500,000 of our youth just wanted to be in the and that one is even because there was 200 cities to be paid. If it was free to apply, you will see the number of people who will go. I beg you. People now are going to stop discussing what Nanado was like. People are start going to hold this government accountable for their own aspirations as human beings, as Ghanaians, the expectations of governance. And to remember what the Constitution really defines. The issues of prosperity, we build a Constitution, look at the preamble. For us to realize a certain government that will give us what? Prosperity, or equality of opportunity. Are we giving our youth equal opportunity? Are we running government to make sure there's proper prosperity? My brother, real lives are at stake and real questions will start being asked. Nanado is fast becoming history in people's expectations and people's problems about governance. People have issues about accountability. Are you really delivering the accountability beyond the public press conferences and saying, who has been held accountable after a whole year in office? People are not seeing it. We're having conversations with the transport minister about the efficiency of the procurement, about they even reviewing what they did before they even said they were extending it, about you still doing single sourcing, which we are all agreeing somewhat that it's not optimal. People are seeing these things. People start judging you on your own merit. This is the defining year for John Mahama. The real state of his government will be evaluated after this year. Next year is campaign mode. Campaign mode, and there'll be a lot of disruptions. But this is an indication that your honeymoon is over. So please get focused on the substantive issues that affect our people. Production, employment for our youth. We are looking clearly about accountability on the governance side, ensuring equality of opportunity, cutting out protocol or minimizing it and being transparent about protocol things so people know that they have a fair opportunity for them to transfer their lives. Martin, if protocol was the order of the day, you and I will be here. No. My brother, I'm a Saito guy, so I worry about this. My children have something to step on. I didn't. What I had were great values for my parents. And I thank God for their lives and what they've done. People are taking their children through school, struggling to pay school fees. And they come back and they again will still have to be feeding them. Oh boy, no. People want to see real transformation to their lives. We don't want to hear Akufo-Addo. We are done with Akufo-Addo. If anything, Akufo-Addo catch people who you are, we are done.
Yes.
We want to see transformation for ourselves.
I don't blame her. I blame the NDC in Kwasiafo. NDC in penny form of Jimmy. NDC in penny form of Munyansa. You are the ones I blame. Now NDC in TSS Munya special. I'll be honest here. I'm a farmer one example. Say, and penny for be. Me friend one mon fano. Me here with you. And I'll be you. Many aba hanabisiu. Me kase minu aba because me mame firstborn. Ewo 54 years. Ono ye pe. Inti wo ye minu aba penny. 2 years ago na ye campaign na me no kasa. Me twa interview wa how. Mame. Me twa interview. Me no na me ne won tam ye fine. Me ba Ghana ina ye shia kama me nkoto be shia kama ye shia wo ye bisa osika ye bisa aka pre ma this ready a me de to wanim na eye ba ko pe ene say enye me last born ye last born me nua ba ketua odi machi oko private nursing owie school na adwuma ba ye problem enti se mubetimi aboa no na in case e bia mo fa nurses na se mubetimi di din ahim amamia eno pene ma this ready a me de to wanim manka se me hia post to be manka se me pe abochire bi akọ eno pe ene ma this ready a me de to ma me wanim e free ho me free Ghana eba ha me free wo a wo fa bi me se no message you don't even read me nim. Se me frewu asabio wadwen ye o se me besrewu me wan so me sre oskada me NDC ni bia di ko amatwefo na afre no ebisa ne sikada nobody me can come out and say chairman frame me na o se ohia boa ohia ska nobody not even my senior Kevin Taylor. I'm saying it again, me see nobody, not even my senior Kevin Taylor. So Kevin Taylor achema dieda, which of course achema dieda eye onu akasa na komemu ena ode chair me mansre no menya sesrefo enti ye frem mu na se mo mfa e ma badwe nya mu se ye frem mu se ye hia bibi o fefe na efe se me no ntembe kama fefe na efe se ye na ye adwumaden enya ye nko social media for mainstream media for Ghana for the youth devoted themselves and their time eye adwumade bu a NDC and esa youth no e dia de na omonsa aka what have they gotten? Nothing. I can't promise any NDC member say member me campaign and I say me kasa dia boa NDC. I can't promise. NDC mean to me because of Musubai. With Musamu what thing, with trim what thing, why you say chin say barre. When they credo at Mupantimu, no problem. Me and also boxer, credo kutokuro pa de dem. When the mountains na mutrimunya ding, na mo no matamfo. Na omo a edo NDC monto ye ntwene o hine baba mo bani na anu ya be video ka say ye fremo kra mo fa biem nurudi na bas mo nyina na ye ne mo a na ekọ na eba o ene he ohu ko kra ofa wadwe ne say me fro say me hia ka ana say me fro say me hia dan ana say me fro say me ministerial bibia na mo bodam say kan biem ne saka se kwasi aba wait na Ghana ha ye campaign tia mo na se ne matimi sponsor ne say onko UK nko kire kwasi asem dia. And Ghana for say the easiest way to win the love of NDC is to be against them, insult them, and campaign against them. When they get power, they will come and help you, the one who campaigned against them, yeah, whilst neglecting those who campaigned in favor of the NDC. Usubain, tried and tested. We know how you people operate and do your things. Boys snake say your friend mo amon fani ade. I say be a boys no hia bibio. Of course, mo boa omo a enche omo. Now so fefe na efe say Obi a campaign ma NDC ne isa nipa betimi atwe phone afre wo hanabisiu afre NDC mu mpanimfo bi na magye ne so etise kakakra o we de beti won ka che etise kra kakakra efe etise kakakra mpo no efe ye new ambassador waba Nairobi hasi oya former western regional minister Mr. Edu Oba ya me kwachia no na ni agi sei to me frame me etisen de na ekoso odwuma no sei na esi kwani efe me nka sebi uluman emfa me nkwa agbochi na ase wonya behwe but say ne ye so ya na say ne ye ani paka ne ho ben wo appreciating the fact say uyi obi a wo ye adwuma bo ani party sa ko kekekura efe eno na ni papa o amodi agi eni atrimodin neglect etrimodin ya na dem bia me kase Ghana ha ye ka omu a etrimodin pa aibefo ene ntafo omtrimodin brutal omo so na edoso wo NDC ene me ka ni pain ewes awunafo ene etrimodin cho awunani be say awunafo be enum timi kopia brochire ya mu abusuani ba kompo the same thing applies to northerners etribu den yenimu ade che onche osika the same thing applies to ewes now so yes say sa ompe otwe kura asemu a uyi ni mrika yam pass and the four asem kura asandefo eba giving asandefo trimu nya de omsem omre asantini ba akotumi kopie yayi abrochire US London within 10 years na nebusuafo be ensia enson ase so mu nyina akọ ewani onye obesa kura to oduru kura sa eku not the penny onye omutrimu osum omutrimu odin. That is why where they are is like that because the one crab ska ye nkwe kromu nkosiesie ho da omu nyina egu akra ye sorry a na asandefo ho nsem na ye ka mi hu ano asandefo sikafo nyina even if you see them in Accra almost die okumase almost die we yekurom angunafo ntesa not nesentesa enemo ne almost na edoso NDC mu omutrimu odin. I'm telling you people, me say the American me say Ghana for a pen of credit penifo name asantini ba akoko pia bochire na busuafo nyina enyo nyina de I'm talking in terms of so yi asade 420 a move 15 ko pia bochire na busuafo nyina obeya manasa obia ewes oboa your partner so be fi na too
ya yo ebebom kaboom ebebom. You people think God is going to watch you to destroy innocent souls' life, destroy the lives of innocent kids who don't have no helper. Because of your Range Rover, sorry, you guys are going to pay for it, Papa. You think it's a joke? Hey, Mami Tio last time, I'm free.
Nyam Ghana, you know, Lubuden. Nya national development in Temi Budano. We must be bold so that Obirija, when that politics, they are reward and punishment. So once I can reward now, you can get the punishment.
No, say Marcus.
Magda, Daniel, and the Nema Guabonte. Magda, the Nema Guabonte Gunsio.
MPP fast. When Jano Yagani, Magdano
Magda, Daniel, and Nema
Guabonte.
Yeah, you didn't never Guabonte.
Magdano Vida Home. Next time you got to a bar. NDC on him, don't mind me, Muntum Kada Bibi down, but all your mistake no question down be.
And I'm no Cassay, me no Cassas here, Casua on Mendra. A police a coach where you ubikunu, dear Sema. Asuma Negirison to prepaid or to prepaid no 200 Ghana cedis in the 3 days. Wa Bonnie Union Suman and Yahono and Romocofano. President Mahama first one or buy a part 1. Ugua warrior baby through doom so. Part 2, Sisi Osansu gu aware through aviator, electricity prepaid aviator, wakofadi ababetu yeso.
Na President Mama oba wakramita million.
Na on kramita man akufo at the time na say ni etu electricity wa hanum. Sana ni eto prepaid ukroma. Wonko oba ensema okan wo ka kire say obe man cheap electricity. Oba ya wo de akọ 28 ahia% water and then kwofo nchichire ice block. And so I see so moye vortic ewo mu fie aden pin koso o man nkofo brown ebre kyerɛ sɛ dum so asanso unity ɛnɛ me no ka sɛ adenta kyerɛ hɔ no nkofo the light dadum so mu 24 hours yɛn so am light. What is happening in this country? ɛna ne yɛ kasa mo so me yɛ ka aso obi asoro papa no wɔ kurom ha obi asoro President Akufo-Addo ne John Mahama wan na yɛ pani ni bi sɛ wasɛm President Akufo-Addo ne John Mahama wan na yɛ pani